Do you know the difference between this and this symbol? In this video, we will learn about these symbols and many more. So, Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to NoorulRiazi, and this is your mathematics teacher Nuruddin Qureshi. And in this video, we will learn about basic mathematical symbols. So first of all, we will see what is its definition. So the basic mathematical symbols are used in general mathematical calculations. So now we will see what are the symbols, what are their names, meanings, and examples. So starting with our first symbol, which is this, that means equal sign, and it represents equality. So for example, 5 and 2 plus 3 have both same value, so we can place equal sign between them. Then we have same sign, but it is cut. So that means it is not equal signs, so this represents inequality. So 5 is not equal to 4, so we have placed not equal sign between them. Then we have these curvy double dashes, so these represents the approximately equal. So this is used for approximation. So 0.99 is approximately equal to 1. So we have placed this sign here. We have also made a video on the proof how 0.99 is equal to 1, which you can find in the link in the description or on the card which is being appeared on your right top. Now let's move towards our fourth symbol, which is this sign. So this is strict inequality. Why it is strict inequality? Because it creates a strict border on a number line. So it represents the greater than. So 5 is greater than 4. So we have placed this sign between 5 and 4. Then we have this sign. This is again a strict inequality, and this is the less than sign. So 3 is less than 7. So one thing which you have to remember that in these signs, wherever this mouth is open, the greater value will be on that side. So this mouth is open here, so the greater value 5 is here because 5 is greater than 4. And here this mouth is open here, so there is 7 which is greater than 3. Now we have this sign, the same sign, greater than sign with a dash below it. So it is inequality. It is not a strict inequality, but it is an inequality. So this is the greater than or equal to sign. So 5 is greater than equal to 4. That means the value of 5 can be greater than or equal to 4. Similarly, we have this less than equal to sign. It is again inequality, and this is less than or equal to. So 3 is less than equal to 7. Now let's move towards other symbols also. So then we have these brackets. So these are used to calculate the expression which are inside them first. So for example, this is a problem. So these brackets will be solved one because they are inside these brackets. So about these brackets, you can learn more on our video related to board mass. The link for that video is again in the description, and you can find the card for it on your right top, which is being appeared right now. Now then we have this plus sign that means addition. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then we have this dash which is minus sign. It represents subtraction. So 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Then we have this plus minus sign. So this is the plus minus sign, and it represents both plus and minus operation. So for example, if we have 3 plus minus 5, so first of all 3 will be added with 5, and then 5 would be subtracted from 3 also. So 3 added with 5 makes it 8, and 5 subtracted from 3 makes it minus 2. Then we have these three symbols. So these are the static, this is cross, this is dot. So these symbols represent multiplication. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So it can be 2 static 3 or 2 cross 3 or 2 dot 3. So all three symbols would give you the same answer, which is 6. Then we have these two signs. So this is the obelisk sign and this is the slash sign. So these represents the division operation. So 6 divided by 2 or 6 slash 2 would equal to 3. Then we have this mod or this modular sign. So this represents the remainder calculation. You would have seen this sign as a percent, but you can use a proper syntax to use it for finding a remainder. So if it is written like 7 modulo 2, so that means it is not 7% of 2 because there is no multiplication of written there. So 7 modulo 2, that means 7 mod 2. So this means 7 is being divided by 2, and whatever is the remainder you will put across the equal to sign. So when you divide 7 by 2, so 1 is the remainder. So 7 mod 2 or 7 modulo 2 is equal to 1. Then we have this point which is period. This is the decimal point or decimal separator because it separates the complete and the incomplete part in any decimal. So 2 and 56 upon 100, which is a fraction. So 2 is separated from 5, 6 through this point. Now we have this superscript sign, which is the power. So it is used for the exponent purpose. So 2 to the power 3 or 2 superscript 3 is equals to 8. Then we have this caret sign or double asterisk. So caret or double asterisk, this is also used for the exponent function. So 2 caret 3 or 2 double asterisk 3 both will give you 8. Then we have this radical sign which is used for nth root. So if n is equal to 3, so the nth root of 8 would be 2. That means the cube root of 8 would be 2. Then we have this percent sign. Again, now it is representing a percentage. So percent means percent upon 100. So 1% equal to 1 upon 100. So if you try to find out the 10% of 30, that means 10 upon 100 into 30, that is equal to 3. Now we have this symbol. So this is a symbol about which we have asked you in the introduction of the video. So what is this symbol? So this is the percent sign with an extra small circle on the right bottom. So this is the per milli sign. Per milli means per thousand. So 1 per milli is 1 upon 1000. Like 1% was 1 upon 100. Similarly, 1 per milli is 1 upon 1000. So 10 per milli of 30 would be 0.3. 10% of 30 was 3. But here 10 per milli of 30 is 0.3. Then we have ppm. ppm means per million. So 1 ppm is equal to 1 upon 1 million. That means in the denominator we have 6 zeros. So 10 ppm of 30 would be 0.0003. Then we have ppb, that means per billion. So 1 ppb is equals to 1 upon 1 billion. So here we have 9 zeros in our denominator. So 10 ppb of 30 would be 3 into 10 to the power minus 7. Then we have PPT, that means per trillion. So we would have 12 zeros in the denominator. So 1 PPT is 10 to the power minus 12. So 10 PPT of 30 would be 3 into 10 to the power minus 10. So these were the basic mathematical symbols. I hope you liked our video. If yes, then do like it, share it as much as possible and give your feedback in the comment section. And if you like the concept of NoorulRiazi, then do subscribe our channel and follow our Instagram page with the same handle. So see you guys in the next video.